Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. So in trade yesterday, if we see Nifty started the day on a flat to positive note and post some initial consolidation started edging higher. Backed by outperformance from Bank Nifty post excellent quarterly numbers from ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank was the clear standout performer in trade yesterday, which resulted in strong gains in Bank Nifty. Nifty ended the day with gains of 1%, while Bank Nifty witnessed gains of 2.58% in trade yesterday, achieving a fresh lifetime high. Among the sectorial indices, if we see all the indices where banks form a large part of the index, such as counters such as Fin Nifty, Nifty PSU Bank and Private Bank experienced gains of over 2%, while Nifty Realty witnessed profit booking to the tune of 1.02% in trade yesterday. If we see on the charts, Nifty mid cap and small cap indices continue their position of strength as both of them hit fresh lifetime highs. However, their mixed market breadth may be a sign of caution, with their advance to decline ratio standing at approximately 0.5 levels. From the macro perspective, if we see the DXY cooled off to 105.64 after forming a high of 106.517 earlier this month. The US 10-year yields also earlier this month. So if you see, the US 10-year yields have also been stable around 4.61%. Crude oil also has stabilized around $87-88 after hitting a high of 92.14 during the previous fortnight. Coming to Nifty levels, so going ahead, 22,540, 22,500 will act as a crucial support for the index, and till this zone is defended, the index is likely to continue its upside momentum towards 22,770, 22,800. Any sustainable move below the levels of 22,500 will lead to profit booking in the index up to the mark of 22,400, 22,350 levels. Coming to the OI data for Nifty, so if you see, Nifty PCR is currently at 1.25. Momentum is clearly on the side of the bulls at the current juncture. If you see the put writing also, it is currently seen in 22,600, 22,500 strike. While on the call side, majorly if you see, option writing is taking place in 22,700 and 22,800 strike. So implying a range for the coming few sessions of 22,500 on the downside and 22,800 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, so post a strong breakout yesterday, 49,000, 48,900 will act as a crucial support for the index, and as long as the index is able to sustain above this zone, it can test the mark of 49,800, 50,100 levels. Any sustainable move below the levels of 48,900 will lead to selling pressure towards the mark of 48,300, 48,400 levels. Coming to the Bank Nifty OI data, so if you see, Bank Nifty PCR is currently at 1.77. Significant call writing, if you see, is seen in 49,800, 49,500 strike. While on the put side, it is majorly seen in 49,200, 49,300 and the 49,000 strike. So implying a range of 48,900 on the downside and 50,000 on the upside from an expiry point of view. Please do note that since tomorrow is a holiday, the expiry for Bank Nifty will be in trade today. Apart from that, so if you look at stocks and sectors in momentum, banking counters are doing really good. So apart from that, we have metal counters also which are showing good momentum. Large cap names such as APL, Apollo, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel and VDL are showing outperformance at the current juncture. And if you see from the broader market, counters such as AB Capital, Bank India, Tata Power, Cummins, Grasim, NTPC, so these are the stocks which are showing good strength based on technical parameters as well as on the relative strength chart. Coming to the FII data, in the cash market, FI is bought to the tune of 169 crores, while DI is bought to the tune of 692 crores. Post a rally in large cap banking, FI's long short ratio for index futures has improved to 43.49 on a net basis. This as they bought about 53,093 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIs have sold to the tune of 4,925 contracts, while on the options front, FI has bought 2,181 call contracts, and they simultaneously sold 29,057 put option contracts. So friends, that's it for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast, and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.